Welcome back, everybody. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa, and I've got a special one for you today. If you love crossovers such as Marvel's Avengers or DC's Batman vs. Superman, you're going to love this one. It's the Keystone Alpine Avalanche Edition 302 RS. New for 2024, Keystone RV has merged the Avalanche line with the Alpine line, which is incredible because now you get the quality and fit and finish of an Alpine, all at a competitive price point to the market. This one is awesome. Alpine's still going to have their standard Alpine, and they're going to have the Alpine Avalanche Edition. This one looks amazing from the outside, and it does from the inside too. So let's get into it. We'll go over some specs and take an interior walkthrough. Stepping into the spacious living room of the 2024 Alpine Avalanche Edition 302 RS, this cozy haven has received some exciting updates. The living area features a new graphics package that emphasizes the Avalanche Edition theme. Plush leather seating and large panoramic windows create a comfortable and well-lit space. With heating and reclining theater seats, a tri-fold sofa that easily converts into a bed that can sleep up to two, and an updated entertainment center with new JBL speakers, a nearly 5,000 BTU fireplace, large flat screen TV, and storage space up above. The interior space has also increased from 358 square feet to 368.8 square feet. The door side slide out has increased in depth, enhancing the overall living area. Definitely a big difference. Not only that, but as you can see here, this dinette is super flexible. Has some storage space under there. And if you need a little more space, it provides that for you. In the kitchen area is where the heart of your culinary adventures await. The kitchen boasts solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, and increased storage options. The island provides extra prep space and a double sink for your convenience. Tons of storage options in this kitchen, with a large pantry and a large refrigerator. You can store all the food you will need for your journey for you and your family. Next up, heading up the stairs into the bathroom, which has seen some thoughtful improvements. The bathroom now features a full function design with added conveniences. As you can see here, pull-out trash can, toilet tissue drawer, and last but not least, pull-out linen cabinet. How awesome is that? Tons of storage in super innovative ways. Spacious shower with the glass door and an awesome skylight. And heading into the bedroom, it's been enhanced with improved dresser, offering more drawers, including deeper ones, ensuring your storage needs are met. King-sized bed, tons of space for all your activities. Wardrobe closet, tons of space and very well lit. And also, washer dryer prep for all your laundry needs. The exterior sports a one-piece Alpha Superflex TPO membrane, radius roof,
with 5-inch pre-engineered roof trusses and walkable rafters, laminated sidewalls with double welded aluminum construction, and a double insulated rear end wall, heated enclosed underbelly to keep you warm in all conditions, heavy duty G-rated tires, and road armor shock absorbing suspension.
It's got plenty of storage up front, and it also has hydraulic leveling. It's got the new Solar Flex Protect 220 package, which comes with a 30 amp solar controller, a 220 watt rooftop solar panel, and the option for a 2000 watt inverter. It also comes with this awesome outdoor kitchen with storage options, a mini fridge, and a 2-burner cooktop.
Now going over some changes to the entire Avalanche line. Obviously, it's now a part of Alpine with the Alpine Avalanche Edition, and it now sports a fresh white fog fiberglass color, giving the RV a sleek and modern look. And now it's got some gold accents instead of blue to match more with the Alpine line. And safety and stability have been improved with Salem brand G-Range tires and the Lippard Base Camp leveling system, complete with an upgraded control pad and LED lights at each leveling leg. It's got increased off-door side baggage doors to 48 inches by 29 inches, which is replacing the old 40-inch by 29-inch, allowing more access to your belongings. It definitely makes a big difference. The freshwater tank has been upgraded from 54 gallons to 75 gallons, accompanied by a large 1.5-inch dump valve with cable pull. The Girard tankless water heater replaces the Suburban 12-gallon gas-electric water heater, offering improved efficiency. The RV now features Norco G 5.5 slide-out mechanisms, replacing the previous Schwinn-Tech system, which is definitely an upgrade. The furnace has been upgraded to a Suburban 35,000 BTU unit from the Dometic 20,000 BTU unit, and all furnaces are now located on the off-door side. Now on to some interior changes. The vinyl flooring now features a mill-fine design, as you can see side by side with the previous 2023 model. And the solid surface countertop color is now winter stone. They've now included floating steps for shoe storage below and an improved curved handrail at the interior stairs. They've also included an upgraded kitchen island with different drawer sizes for flexible storage. And the air conditioner package now includes two 15,000 BTU Power Saver Coleman Mach units. Previously, it was one 15,000 and one 13.5 thousand Coleman Mach.
This one is a great option if you're looking for something with that quality, fit, and finish that the Keystone Alpine brings to the table. But you're not looking to break the bank, you're still looking for a competitive price point. Keystone RV understands that. They get the market, they get the economy, and that's why they whipped up this latest crossover. If you want to learn more, check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. We've got this one in stock with other 2024s, and we got more on the way. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for all the latest 2024 news. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.